are continuing with our chapter statistics. We have already seen mean and mode. Today we are going to see median. But before going to the median, we need to see one more thing, that is cumulative frequency. This we need to find. This we need to understand first. Okay, there are two types of cumulative frequency. One is less than type, second is more than type. Let us understand them with the help of an example. Let me have a class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. This is class interval has been given. Let me take the frequency 3, 7, 13, 8 and 4. So this is the class interval and frequency has been given. Now let us go for the cumulative frequency. We call it CF. This is cumulative frequency. First let us see less than type cumulative frequency. So less than type cumulative frequency, first data we need to write same which has been given to us. The second class cumulative frequency is the addition of the first class cumulative frequency to the frequency of the second class. So 3 plus 7, that is 10. So what is the cumulative frequency for this class? 10 plus 13, that is 23. So this is the cumulative frequency for the class interval 10 to 15. So now what is the cumulative frequency for this class? The cumulative frequency of preceding class to the plus frequency of the given class, that is 23 plus 8, 31, and last class the cumulative frequency will be 31 plus 4, that is 35. So now what basic cumulative frequency is? Cumulative frequency is first class is this one, then 3 plus 7, the addition of all the frequencies till this class. So 5 to 10 class, the frequency is 3 plus 7, that is 10. The cumulative frequency of 10 to 15 class means addition of all the frequencies. So cumulative frequency means the sum of all the frequencies till that class. So cumulative frequency of 15 to 20 means addition of all these frequencies. So that is 31. But in simple way we are going to find it by this particular way: 3 plus 7, 10. The cumulative frequency of this class adding with the frequency of next class will give the frequency of the next class. Cumulative frequency of the next class: 23 plus 8, 31, 31 plus 4, 35. This is less than type cumulative frequency. And we are going to find median with a formula, and in that we are going to use less than type cumulative frequency only. So let us go and see more than type cumulative frequency. Okay, less than type means starts with the smallest value and at the largest value. And one more thing, if you want to check it is correct or not, add all the frequency, this number and the sum of frequencies, summation fi is equal to 35. So this both will be always equal. Okay, now let us go for the more than type. For less than type we wrote first number as it is, the smallest number at the most top place. But for more than type, the first frequency will go as a 4. Then 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 13, 25. 25 plus 7, that is 32. 32 plus 3, 35. So I did same process from the class interval which is at the bottom, I have started with that. First frequency I wrote same, then 4 plus 8, 12 plus 13, 25 plus 7, 32 plus 35. This is more than type cumulative frequency. But for solving the median with the help of formula, we are not going to see this, we are going to see this much only. This will be helpful, this both will be helpful to us when we are going to find median with the help of our graphical method. So for the formula we need this much only. So just now we are going to remember this much only. So frequency will be given to us, we need to find less than type of cumulative frequency. First data is going to remain same, then it is going to add with the next frequency, then it is going to add with the next frequency, we are going to add cumulative frequency this particular way. Okay, let us go to the median now. The formula of median is denoted as capital M. The formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. This is the formula for finding the median. Now, L is the lower limit of median class. Now we will understand the median class when we are going to see some examples. Now, N. What is N? N is summation Fi. N is equal to summation Fi is equal to sum of all the frequencies. Then CF. CF is the cumulative frequency of preceding to the median class. And then F, frequency of median class. And lastly H we know as the class size. Let us recall one more time. L is the lower limit of median class. N is the sum of all the frequencies, summation Fi. Cumulative frequency, this is CF. CF is cumulative frequency preceding to the median class. So whichever the median class will be there, the preceding to that class cumulative frequency we are supposed to take as the CF. And F is the frequency of that which has been taken as median class, that median class frequency will be the F. And H is the class size. So this is all about median. Let us see one example and understand this thing. Okay, let us take this example. We have already given class interval and frequency. We are supposed to find median. Okay, so before starting I need to find the cumulative frequency. So this cumulative frequency I am supposed to find. First it will be 4 here, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 12, 25, 25 plus 16, 41, 41 plus 10, 51, 51 plus 7, 58. So this is my cumulative frequency. I'll check one more time by adding all the frequencies. That should be equal to 58. So I'll recheck it again. So N or summation Fi. Summation Fi is equal to N is equal to, I'm going to add all this one, and that is also 58. So this is correct. So I have obtained the cumulative frequency. So now first step from that, I need to find median class. So median class I need to find. But for finding the median class, I need to find n by 2 first. So n is 58. 58 by 2, that is 29. So from this 29, I'll come to know about the median class. Now understand this very carefully. I need to go with the median class. Now this n by 2 29 should lies in median class. So let us see the cumulative frequency here. From number 1 to 4 there lies in 20 to 40 class. So first 4 students are there in the 20 to 40 class. From 5th student to 13 students is in 40 to 60 class. From 14 to 25 students are there in the 16 to 80 class, and this 26 number to 41 number lies in this particular class. So in simple form, if we need to understand this n by 2, we need to see which number in class cumulative frequency is just higher than n by 2. 25 smaller than n by 2 and 41 is just above, from all this just above the n by 2 number. So this class 80 to 100 is my median class. Let us recall this, let us understand this one more time. I need to find n by 2. The n by 2 value should be just above the cumulative frequency. We need to see the cumulative frequency that should be just above the n by 2 value. So if n by 2 was 21, then this value will be this class interval will be the median class. So here it is 29. So this 29 lies in 80 to 100 class. So 41 is just above the 29. So this my class is the median class. Okay. So now I got the median class. L is the lower limit of median class. N by 2 I have obtained here. Cumulative frequency. Now cumulative frequency is the cumulative frequency of the preceding to the median class. So this is my CF 25. CF is 25. Frequency is the frequency of the median class. This is 16, and H is equal to upper limit of the median class minus lower limit of the median class, that is 20. Let us write the formula. M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So L is 80 plus n by 2 is 29 minus CF is 25 upon frequency is 16 into 20. I'm not going to deal with 80. I'm just going to multiply and add this all the things. 29 minus 25, 4 divided by 16 into 20. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So 80 plus 5, this is 85 is my median. So this sum is quite simple, but you just need to make sure and understand this median class, cumulative frequency and frequency. These three things we are supposed to find very clearly. So median class, in which class n by 2 lies, that class will become our median class. Cumulative frequency CF is the cumulative frequency preceding to the median class, and frequency is the frequency of the median class. Let us see one more example. This is an example. Okay, here my class interval is not same, 50, 51. So first in this sum I have to convert this into actual class interval. So let me write first the given class interval 1 to 50, 51 to 100, 101 to 150, 151 to 200, 201 to 250, 251 to 300. So this is my class interval. I need to go for the actual class interval because here 50, 51 are not same. The difference is 1. So as we have studied, I have to go for minus 0.5 and plus 0.5. In lower limit, I'll subtract 0.5. In upper limit, I'll add 0.5. So it will become 0.5. 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. 50 plus 0.5, 50.5. Then 50.5 to 100.5. 100.5 to 150.5. 150.5 to 200.5. 200.5 to 250.5 minus 250.5 to 300.5. This is my actual class interval. Let me write the frequency. 8, 15, 19, 24, 16 and 8. I have to go for the cumulative frequency. So the cumulative frequency, right? First cumulative frequency as it is 8. 8 plus 15, 23. 23 plus 19, 42. 42 plus 24, 66. 66 plus 16, 82. 82 plus 8, that is 90. So I have to recheck them again by adding all the frequencies. So it is here also 90. So it is confirmed that summation Fi is equal to n is equal to 90. So my table is ready. So now I am not going to see this class interval, I am going to see this class interval. So what is the first step? I need to find the median class. But before finding the median class, here I need to find n by 2. So n by 2, that is 90 by 2, that is 45. So let us revise one more time. This 45 should lies in the cumulative frequency. So 1 to 8 will be here, 9 to 23 will be here, 24 to 42 will be here. Now 43, from 43 number to 66 number is over here. So this entire class will going to be my median class. So here median class is equal to 150.5 to 200.5. So now L is equal to 150.5, n by 2 we have already obtained. Cumulative frequency CF. CF is the cumulative frequency preceding to the median class. So this is my CF, and the 24 will be a frequency, that is the frequency of the median class. CF is 42, F is 24 and H is class size 200.5 minus 150.5, that is 50. So I have obtained all the data here. So now M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. The value of L is 150.5 plus n by 2, that is 45, minus cumulative frequency is 42, divide by frequency is 24, H is 50. So I'm not going to deal with this number plus, this is 45 minus 42, that is 3, divide by 24 into 50, 3, 8 is the 24, 25 2s are 8 4s are, so 150.5 plus 25 by 4, that is equal to 150.5 plus 25 by 4, that is 6.25. So final answer is 156.75. So this is the median for the given data. So quite simple thing, just we need to remember, we need to find median class by observing n by 2. The n by 2 value we need to see the value which is just above the n by 2, that value we need to see in cumulative frequency, and that class will become the our median class. Cumulative frequency is the preceding cumulative frequency of the median class, and f is the frequency of the median class, and the formula is m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf, this divided by f into h. So this is my median. Thank you.